National Mourning Day observed, Karbi Anglong pays homage to Charjim Prisek massacre victims. Project affected people submits charter of demands to NIPCO head. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. Here with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. People of the entire district of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong had on Saturday observed National Mourning Day on the occasion of commemoration of the Charjim Prisek massacre which took place in 2005. Here is a report from the Central Commemoration Program held in the site where the deadly incident took place. To mark the day and pay tribute to all those who lost their lives in the incident, people of the two districts observed Mourning Day on Saturday. For the first time, the KAAC also declared holiday for the day, which have been welcomed by the people. A commemoration program was held at a place between Charjim and Prisek under Jirikindeng Police Station. KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang and his team of KAAC EMs attended the program. Under the initiative of CEM Ronghang, the KAAC is moving ahead to develop the place to allow more people to pay homage to the innocent souls at any time of the year. During the day, CEM inaugurated the newly completed prayer hall. While addressing the people present, he said that along with the people who died in the Charjim Prisek incident, statues of the martyrs in the statehood demand movement will also be erected in Charjim Prisek. He also stated that very soon at least 2 caretakers will be appointed to look after the pavilion and the compound.
যি সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিব লাগে আমি সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিছোঁ আৰু লগতে আমি যোৱা বছৰ মই আহিছিলোঁ ইয়াত মানে প্ৰেয়াৰ হল যিটো এইটো প্ৰেয়াৰ হল বুলি কয় অপেন ষ্টেজ এইটো মই যোৱাবাৰ 1 কোটি টকা আঁচনি মই ঘোষণা কৰিছোঁ আৰু 1 বছৰৰ ভিতৰত সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰিম বুলি কৈছোঁ আৰু যোৱা বছৰৰ যি আঁচনি মই ঘোষণা কৰিছোঁ সেই গোটেইখিনি আঁচনি সম্পূৰ্ণ এই বছৰৰ ভিতৰত কৰা হৈছে যিটো নেকি চিভিল যিটো বনাইছে ঠিক তেনেধৰণৰ ইয়াতো আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিটো অট'নমাছ ষ্টেটৰ মুভমেণ্টত আন্দোলনত যিটো তেওঁলোকৰ শ্বহীদ হৈছে তেওঁলোকৰ লগত গোটেইখিনি মানুহবিলাকক ইয়াত প্ৰতিনিধি ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা আৰু টকা এটা ধুনীয়া এটা গেষ্ট হাউচ ইয়াত বনোৱা হ'ব
যিটো মানে আজি অনুভৱ কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ কলা দিৱস আজি পালন কৰিছোঁ আৰু আহিছোঁ আৰু আমি আন্তৰিক কি বুলি কওঁ আন্তৰিক কিবা মানুহবিলাক শাস্তিৰ পৰা মুক্ত হওক কিবা হওক আৰু আগলৈ যেন এনেকুৱা সংঘাত নহয় এনেকুৱা কাজিয়া পেচাল নকৰে তাৰ বাবে মই ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত মই প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰি গৈছোঁ
সেইটো কোনো এই ইনচিডেণ্টটো এণ্টায়াৰ ৱৰ্ল্ডে গম পাইছিলে তেতিয়া অকল আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ মানুহ বুলি নহয় পৃথিৱীৰ গম নোপোৱা ঠাই ক'তো নাই গতিকে এই বিষয় কোনোবা পাৰ্চনেলি PIL দিবলগীয়া সেইটো কোনো যুক্তি নাই বুলি আমি ভাবোঁ কাৰণ গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ওচৰত যদি ইমান ডাঙৰ এক্সিডেণ্ট হোৱাৰ পিছত যে গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এতিয়ালৈকে একো ন্যায় দিব পৰা নাই এইটো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ ৰেছপনচিবল
During the day, people across the district also assembled in the evening and lighted candles and prayed for the departed souls at different towns and locations. The horrifying massacre occurred during Karbi Dimasa ethnic conflict, which brought fear and mistrust among the tribals of the district. On the Mourning Day, people have urged all communities to maintain peace and prevent the occurrence of any such incidents in the future. Charchim Prisek will be mentioned in history for the emotions and pains it has given to several families. 41 innocent souls were brutally killed by armed terrorists whose identities still remain unknown. No one has taken the responsibility of the killing, and surprisingly no agency had bothered to investigate into the matter to deliver justice. As time passes, people now are living with the terrifying memories. Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Anglong Sand Suppliers Association has imposed an indefinite ban on supply of sand to Nagaland. This was declared in a press conference convened at its office in Manja on Saturday. While addressing local media at 11 a.m. at its office in Manja, KASSA said the decision was taken after two of its suppliers, Michael Terang and Bijoy Munna Daulagapu, were attacked and threatened by one sand stockist identified as one Ali inside Dimapur on Friday. The incident took place after the two suppliers tried to replace notes worth rupees 1,500 as they were fake currency notes. The sand stockists allegedly became enraged over their request to give them genuine currency and instead accused the two of producing fake currency notes and attacked them. While condemning the incident, the Sand Suppliers Association said that the attack on their members were of serious matter, illegal, and is not acceptable at any cost. The organization has demanded Ali for immediate and unconditional apology towards KASSA and warned to continue the ban until their demands are fulfilled. Bikram Crow, News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live. The Kopili Hydroelectric City Project Affected People's Association on Friday met KHEP NIPCO head as part of its ongoing effort to push for fulfillment of their long unfulfilled demands. The group was led by President Joy Singh Durong, General Secretary Robinson Teron, Vice President Lakpa Lama, KSA President Longsing Rongpi, and other members. The delegation submitted their charter of demands to the KHEP NIPCO head. The delegation team also informed the NIPCO authority that they would be forced to launch a mass movement against them if their genuine demands and grievances are not addressed. While reiterating on their firm demands, the delegation team also stated to the NIPCO management that the affected people would not be duped with petty CSR works. It may be mentioned that till date, the assurances on rehabilitation and other welfare issues made by NIPCO management has not been implemented at the affected villages and areas under Garampani constituency, Dima Hasao district. Despite the big commitments and assurances by the NIPCO, number of people's demand has been fulfilled till date. Linson Ronghang's report from Umrongso for Karbi Anglong Live. For now, let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Humri dam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hejong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachioma pe kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapenang litum jongsi akulara long kedam jiaphan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangsu akulara long pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long inchi lasi humri damikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along adim lake dipu ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adung. Welcome back after the break. Residents of over 19 villages inside Langper constituency are facing huge communication challenges following extensive damages of the main bridge connecting their area with the mainland areas. Our correspondent brings you this report. Located inside the Langpher constituency, this bridge is a lifeline for people of 19 villages situated between Patra Disa and Barelong Tokbi polling station area. This bridge was constructed by former Minister Khorsing Ingti at a time when Congress was in power and is now on the verge of collapse if no urgent repair works are carried out. According to the villagers, the damages have been caused by continued erosion due to river which becomes ferocious during the monsoon season. At present, the erosion on the edges of the bridge poses great threat to commuters who have to pass through this bridge every day to go for work, marketing and other purposes. Following this, villagers urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CEM Tuliram Ronghang and local MEC Ram Singh Timong for permanent solution by taking urgent action on this regard.
Lagi Barelong kita matwara lilo.
Barelong tu?
Long kristal cap kita angkat celat tuari gi.
Barelong pen kunat ha.
Barelong pe Patra Disa ka celat tuari gi. Dile tumo shortcut ke lamde lo.
Tapi nak hici hat bat kita kon ke kon ada
Di hat bat kita amge ajo philo kami adak anut bahani se lo so gari kami sakel kami la purung dul po an se le tumo papar ni ko la son se mani lo ni tu a poitin bol kita mari la.
Sampai laso non pini ke tingkoi pen kaplega ni dalam bangsun kon ka tingkoi de ulang mana.
Aka prega ni ta ta son tingkoi piglo. Hola puina hinta mane asa tilu kan jok jak henga tior tulang kami. Hola puina kami tiklo tum dui piglo. La pini pen hoit ka soselo.
Velson Terang's report from Volong Komaji for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, a teenage girl died on the spot after a speeding bike hit her from behind on Saturday afternoon. The 3 people have also sustained critical injuries in the incident, which took place at Center Market under the Hauraghat police station. According to eyewitnesses, the incident took place at around 1:20 p.m. when an overspeeding bike driven by 123 years old Chakna Baklari, son of Bangkha Baklari, along with Jungblum Basumatari, son of Suresh Basumatari, hit another biker on their back at Center Market area. The teenage girl sitting behind a bike was killed on the spot. The deceased teenage girl was identified as 19 years old as Vista Tokbipi, while the injured youth who was riding the bike was identified as Thengtom Tokbi. The youths who were responsible for the reckless driving were also seriously injured in the incident. All of the 3 injured youths involved in the horrific incident have been referred to Difu Medical College and Hospital after their conditions became more critical. Meanwhile, the body of the victim has also been sent to Difu for postmortem. Dirchona Rongpi report from Tarabasa for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.